Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. So, what we're going to be doing today is going to be demonstrating different cases of variables in Python. Obviously, you've got the standard constants and the standard variables, which are constants are fully uppercase, variables are fully lowercase. But within variables, there are multiple different cases for readability that you might use on a variable. So, when you're coding, you might have long variables with 3 or 4 words. So, it might be my variable for subfunction, let's just say. This is snake case. We have an underscore between each word, snake case. This is useful because it's very easy to read, but it also takes the longest. Let's label this as snake case. The next case is camel case, where the first word is uncapitalized, but all the other ones start with a capital. It's labeled as camel case because it looks like there's almost humps every new word. So every new word has a hump. So let's label this as camel case. Then finally, you have Pascal case, which is every word has capitalized first letter. Equally simple as camel case, but generally the least readable. Snake case is usually the most readable, but takes the longest. Camel case is decently readable, but takes a decent while. And then Pascal case is more readable than camel case, barely. They work all the same in the subfunctions. Let me just demonstrate. They all work the same 3 prints. You can see that I tend to use snake case because I prefer how readable it is. But a lot of people do use Pascal case. That's because it is a decent bit faster. They work just the same though. And here's a nice little fact. The variables, they're not case sensitive. So you can have one that's fully lowercase, one that's got some uppercase, one that's got some mix of them, and they'll all be unique. Despite being pronounced the same, all of these, they are different to the computer because of their case. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you learned something from the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, but please comment especially, and tell me how you learned, what you liked, because it helps me make better videos which are more educational. Thank you.